Hi! In front of me is Motorola One 5G Ace, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this Motorola. First of all, go into settings. Now you need to choose security section after scrolling down. After that, click on screen lock and pick one of those login methods, pattern, PIN or password. Now you need to enter your login method. If you made a mistake, click on clear at the bottom left corner and redo it. Then select next at the bottom right one. Now you need to repeat it in order to confirm it. Click on confirm at the bottom right corner as well. And tap on the best option for you to answer the question, what do you want the lock screen to display? Show all notification content, show sensitive content only when unlocked, or don't show notifications at all. I will go with the last option, so I have to click on it and select Done. Now when I switch off my screen, then switch it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!